I'm gonna eat this. Hold on.
Wow.
Wow, look at this.
Look at that dip. Oh my god, you know what you're doing. Don't you have this jacket?
Is it Balenciaga?
Oh, this is just America. He is.
What?
Todd needs someone to help him with his money.
It's not gonna be me.
What's up, Wheaties? Welcome back to the Mukbang Bus. Today we're gonna be having Mendocino Farms, one of Todd's favorite restaurants here in LA. We have everything on the menu. We have Reubens, we have chicken tenders, we have crispy chicken sandwiches, we have super salads. How do you do
It's a lot
that?
more overwhelming when you're in the car and it's just you yelling as opposed to like our living room, you know?
Well, this is the domain. This is the Mukbang Bus where all the magic happens.
Do you script this before or you just kind of wing it?
There's a formula. I've done over 100 of these, so.
No, you haven't.
Yeah.
What the
You've done over 100 mukbangs?
And I've been in
Jesus.
3.
You always blew me off!
Why are we all yelling?
We have Natalie and Todd as our guests today. Natalie's a first timer here at the Mukbang Bus. Todd's a third timer. He's a vet.
Can I eat this yet? Or?
Yeah, what is that? Natalie's gonna be trying, it looks like, did you get your nails done for this today?
Yes.
No.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, Natalie's going for it. You're a foodie. You're the most requested guest here on the show.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whatever. What is this?
That might be the Reuben also.
What's that?
Oh wait, they're all labeled.
Oh, no.
Salad down.
Joe.
That is a tempeh sandwich, a ciabatta
Ooh,
vegan.
ciabatta.
Yeah.
There's no gluten in this, is there?
There might be.
Yeah, 100% is. Are you crazy?
I don't know.
This is Todd's favorite joke. Is there cheese in this? Yeah. I'm dairy free. I f***ed that up. This one looks like a turkey with avocado. Dude, Mendocino Farms is really the best. This one has pesto.
Oh, wow. This is really good.
This is really fucking good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really good.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Let's go fuck myself.
I like you hanging out there. It's cool.
I got like a good stretch going on my legs.
Sounds
Feels
like a
nice.
little dog.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry. That's one of my favorite dressings. This one, what was this one? You had a bite of this one.
Beyond Meat.
Oh, it might be.
It definitely is.
Yeah, it doesn't look like real meat.
It's really good though.
What's this?
Here's an unopened pesto,
try it.
uneaten.
Really good.
I'm working on this one.
But this is Mukbang Bus. We just gotta shove as much meat in our mouth as possible.
Hey.
Ew.
I mean, ew, Joe.
Todd, this is fucking
Let
good.
me try this. What have you been up to today?
I just took Bobby for a walk.
Who's Bobby?
My dog.
You have a dog?
Yeah. Guess who just DM'd me to try and do a collab meetup?
George?
Marcus Dobre.
Wow.
He wants his Brussels Griffon and my Brussels Griffon to meet.
Wow.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you have one too.
Yeah. And guess who else DM'd me the other day? Joe Jonas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I went to DM him just to say hi from one Joe to another. Is that good?
It's really good.
And it said, Joe Jonas wants to send me a message, but it was blank. So he tried DMing me at one point, but it wasn't there.
Aren't you both from Jersey?
Yeah, that was my connection. From one Jersey Joe to another. This one looked insane. This one has an avocado.
You're never gonna find that piece of meat.
Oh, you dropped meat down there? This is a 2016 Kia, Todd.
You don't give me any napkins.
We don't have napkins
You don't need
here.
a napkin, you need like a full-on bib.
This one's like a turkey sandwich.
Oh, this is the study of heat.
Oh.
This is really good. This is my favorite
That's
sandwich.
the one that David gets all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Feed me.
Okay. I was gonna feed them.
Oh my
Dude.
God.
You have such a big mouth.
Yeah.
Fucking great.
It's crazy.
Metaphorically or literally?
Both.
Yeah, both. Literally both.
It's really good.
Yeah, you want to bit? This is hot.
The sandwich was hot. Or this was hot.
This whole situation. Do you want to feed him?
No.
I feel like I'm at a park throwing bread to a
I don't
duck.
want to turn him on too much, you know?
He has that problem.
It's too early in the day.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Somebody hide me.
oh my god. Get down. David's Tesla just pulled
He's
up.
gonna be so mad I'm in here just eating a sandwich.
Oh, fucking Jason's right here too.
Here.
Wait, who's that?
Quick, take a bite of this. It's really good.
No, I don't want that.
Try it.
I feel like we're all in trouble.
I know.
Here, quick. Eat quick.
Oh, look at this fucking one.
Um,
This is David's favorite one. Let's just talk
man.
about him.
Can you even feed us?
No, he's good.
Oh, yeah.
Mug it! Mug it!
Holy shit. He looks pissed.
You guys eating without me?
No.
Oh, this is Mendocino.
Yeah, this is your favorite sandwich. You want a bite?
What Natalie's doing?
Do you want your favorite sandwich?
No.
It's really good.
Can we bust out some of those chicken tenders that there's only 2 of?
I
Yes.
kind of dripped over them a little bit.
Oh, I love drippage.
I drip all the time.
Ew, that made me want to throw up.
Are you really grossed out by like when someone tampers your food?
A little bit, yeah.
So like hair in your food you don't like?
Oh, Joe, you know I don't like that.
I
You
know.
I hate that.
Last night Taylor made steak for David and I took 1 potato out of the entire
Shut
both
up.
plates.
Shut up. Shut up.
And as I put it in my mouth, I
No!
pulled out a piece of
Oh my
hair.
god.
And it like flossed my teeth.
Oh.
It was bad.
Oh my god.
Ah. Wait, I didn't try the not so crispy chicken sandwich. That's my. Oh, this is it.
Wait.
This is a not so crispy chicken sandwich.
I gotta try that too.
This is the best one from Mendocino Farms. If you ever go there, get this one. Do you want the first bite?
Sure.
You're the guest.
Do you want it?
Yeah. Do you want it?
Take it
I'm
in.
gonna eat this. Hold
Oh
on.
wow.
Wow, look at this.
Look at that dip. Oh my god, you know what you're doing.
Yum.
You're a foodie at heart.
It's really good.
Oh my god.
Oh, we were really good.
Wow. I told you. I starve myself every time you want to do a mukbang.
Do you?
Yeah.
I feel like you love it the most because you're a wrestler.
Fucking good.
You like.
I'm not anymore. That was high school.
Yeah, but I don't let go of the past.
Neither do I. Now, remember that one time when you
Remember that one time 2 years ago when you came over?
and you were looking at me but you didn't say anything? I remember I told. Oh, never mind. Fuck it.
How do you...
What? Did you say what?
Babe.
You just say babe?
You said babe.
No.
Oh my
Oh.
god. This is the best salad they have. This is like the superfood quinoa salad with avocado.
I've had that.
How are you gonna share a salad right
What
now?
are the?
We have one fork. Oh my god, look, there's
so
Taylor.
gross.
Todd's really good with shaking things with his right hand.
Ew, Todd.
What?
You're so dreamy.
Such a dream.
What I was saying is, I remember when I met Natalie. I'm like, damn, Dave, who's that? He's like, oh, that's my friend. And that was it.
Oh!
You would have friggin' plastic utensils
What?
in the car. This is supposed to be a Todd and Joe mukbang and I just crashed because I was hungry.
Natalie promised us 30
seconds.
seconds. We got fucking, this is a good amount of time. And we got caught, but nothing happened.
Well, that's why I promised 30 seconds because I knew he was gonna be coming over
Mm-hmm.
sometime soon. I didn't want him to catch me. Like, I wanted the mukbang to get posted and he'd be like, "Oh, Natalie, when'd you do that with Joe?" And I'd be like, "Oh, that one time."
Do you like your new living situation?
I do. I love it. I love living with Matt and Zane.
You really bounced around with living with everybody, huh?
Nothing.
I know. He lived with everybody.
Yeah, you're like the default character for who you're gonna live with. Like, no matter what house, Todd's gonna be there.
Well, first house was me, Elton, Scott, Jane, Heath.
All of you guys live in the same house?
And then we moved out of that. I moved in with Jason and Scott, and then me and Jason stuck together. Scott moved out. It was Jason and I for a while, and then after like less than a year, then it was Jason, me, Zane, Matt, and then finally Jason moved out, got his own house.
And now it's the three of you.
Yeah, that's
Where are you gonna go next?
Back home to my parents' house. 'Cause I'm over this shit.
How come you don't want to live with Scott?
We already decided the living situations before like he moved and everything. Everything, you know, happened.
Do you
Got it.
regret it? Do you wish you lived with Scott now?
I like living with Zane and Matt. I think we have like a good dynamic.
You don't have a good dynamic with Scott?
No, I do. But it's just like I didn't want to break it up, you know? We wake up, we say hello to each other, we give each other a pat on the back.
You didn't say hi to Scott when you woke up?
So you're saying you're just not friends with Scott anymore?
What are you guys doing? Natalie asked me to live with her, but I said I couldn't handle that.
I couldn't handle that.
Can we have the cookie?
Okay, I'm gonna split this into the most even three-way
How
cookie.
dirty are your hands?
I'm just kidding.
Todd liked it. Oh.
You're such a mom.
That's for Todd.
I'll take a little piece. Wow, this is a double chocolate chip cookie.
You're so upset.
No, I'm not. It's better in the long run.
Here,
I'll live
Todd.
longer. I don't want it.
Take it.
Nope.
Take it.
Cheers. Cheers.
It's like crispy on the outside and soft on the middle.
Just like you.
Thank you. Let's see if Taylor knows it this time.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay.
Taylor got a new car.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. I like it a lot.
You know what I saw today?
Coupe is sick.
Let's go, babe.
Did you see this on Twitter? Somebody said DDLSC has the best employee benefits.
Oh, I liked it.
Yeah.
That was real so funny.
That's so funny.
Thanks, Joe.
This has been fucking fun, huh? Guys, make sure to check out Natalie. Make sure to check out Todd. They're being down below. Thank you so much for hanging out. At the end of this, we punch them in the face.
Why?
That's assault, brother.
Well, it's more of like a loving. Yeah! Yeah! You want to body slam them?
Sure.
Wrestler move?
Oh my god, why are we getting...
Why are you so aggressive?
We were here, but now we're up here.
Yo, this is just what happens.
I usually have pretty good jokes, right, Joe?
Yeah, you do. Todd's
For the most
really
part.
funny.
For the most part.
Sometimes.
I love filming with Todd.
Do you?
Yeah, because you never know what's gonna come out of your mouth.
That's true.
It's like something terrible or something funny.
It could be something like really like sweet, or it could be something like very extreme and disgusting. It's just like you don't know what you're gonna get.
Yeah, I asked what he thought of Corinna. He's like, it's great. We always had a brother-sister relationship.
Oh my god.